Hi everyone, today we are looking at configuration DHCP server. So DHCP, you all know, it's a dynamic host configuration protocol. So let's go with the installation. Add roles and features. You need to select DHCP server, add features, click next and install. So what does this DHCP does is like it allocates IP addresses to the host automatically, where we have to create a scope. We need to provide an IP pool there, like start and end. It picks up an IP and provides it to the host, which is added to this domain where this DHCP server is configured. Okay, so let's go with. As we can see, the installation is completed. Now let's complete the configuration of DHCP. So click next and commit. By the way, I have installed this DHCP server in our domain controller. You can also install it in a separate server. So here we gonna create a scope for DHCP. Let's go and create a scope. So right click on DHCP, add a scope, click next, provide a name for the scope. I'm giving it a scope 1. So I'm providing the start IP and ending IP where this pool of IPs need to be allocated. Click next. Sorry, it's 254. Click next. Now if you want to exclude any IPs, like if you have registered any IPs for the other purpose, you're gonna exclude it from the pool. So you can provide that IP range where which all IPs you can wants to exclude. So I'm providing it here. Once providing the start IP and end IP, click on add, so that will go to the excluded range. As I want to configure the options now, click on next. Here we need to give a default gateway. My gateway is 10.0.0.1. Give your Active Directory address, IP address here. So my Win server is also same. So I have configured everything in one server because it's a lab, and real time will be configured in different servers. So click next. Yes, I want to activate the scope now. Click next. Finish it. Now go and log into any server which is already added to this domain, and go to the network settings and just make the IP automatically assign. So now it will be in manually assign mode. So you need to select the automatically assign and check the IP. .config, as you can see, the 101 uh, is assigned to this system. Next we gonna look at DHCP backup and restore. Like if there is any accidental deletion of the scope, how can we backup and how can we get it restored? So for backup, click on adempower.com, right click and click on backup. I'm gonna create a new folder here called backup, and I'll backup at that point. You can also backup by default place, but you have to remember it for restoring it. Okay. Once the backup is done, I'm gonna delete the scope. I have deleted the scope now. Now you can restore it using the backup which we created earlier. I have selected the backup folder. Click OK. Now the backup will be restored. That's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.